Well, hello everybody. Joy here. It is still August 22nd, 2019. This is a Topper Challenge Fashionista update. Have y'all been to Instagram and checked out the hashtag JoyVivTopper? Oh my goodness, I am just shocked at how many of you have already finished a garment and posted a picture. And it's only the 22nd of August and this goes through the 15th of September. Wow, wow, wow. It is going to be so exciting to see so many garments. So, here's the thing. Some of you evidently decided to join and you didn't see the rules videos. You know, you gotta have rules. Some of you have come over from Becky's place. Some of you have come over from Viv's place. Some of you saw the beginning tutorials or videos or whatever you want to call them when we explained how you needed to do it. Some of you don't care if you're entered into the drawing for the $50 gift card. Fine. If you don't care about that, post it on a hanger, post it standing on your head, post it however you want to. But if you want to be entered for the $50 gift card, you have to have the garment on. You have to post a picture of yourself with the garment on. Don't any of you feel like you're not going to look good enough in a picture? Turn the lights on in your house. Find a light to turn on to aim at yourself. I use a lamp with the 3 lights on it, and I just turn it on and aim it at myself. That way, that directs the light into your chest and into your face and under your chin and your, 5-6 chins like I have and all the wrinkles on your neck. And the light really helps take a better picture, and we can see your garment better and your pretty face better. Now listen, nobody hated to have their picture taken more than me. You could put me in a picture with 20 other people and I would be the ugliest, most homely one with the most messed up hair, the most weird look on my face. But I have learned that no matter what camera, if it's your iPhone or if it's a video camera or a regular snap and shoot camera or one of those you buy at Walmart and you throw it away later, if you will put a smile on your face, stand up straight, hold your shoulders back. That's my phone. Viv and I are texting each other. Put your shoulders back. Put your chin forward a little bit. I tell my family this when I'm taking a picture of them. And I learned this. Hey, you guys, I learned this on Blueprint. I watched, it's not me. I didn't make this stuff up. And I watched this girl and she was talking about, she made sweaters and her stuff was in magazines. And so she was in videos, professional videos for her pictures to be in magazines. And she's the one that I learned a lot of this from. And she said that if you will do your head like you're looking over a fence, don't do like my husband and go like this. Just at least shoulders back, look over the fence a little bit. Don't go like this, we're gonna get your chin. Look straight ahead and smile. I don't care who you are. You're gonna look really good if you will do that in your pictures. Make sure your eyes are open and you're smiling and you've got your topper on. Okay? That's thing 1. Thing 2 is, I talked to you about how you have to make your picture. You have to crop it into a square. It cannot be a rectangle. It can't be a 4x6 or a 6x4 or a 3x5. It has to be a square. And so I showed you, I did a little short video on my cell phone to show you how I do it on my iPhone. I'm going to put it right here for you all to see how I do it. Right here. Okay, here's a picture that I just took 2 minutes ago. Okay? So I want to put this on my Instagram, but it's going to cut my head off if I don't make it a square. So I'm going to show you how you do that. Okay, so you click up here, and this is an iPhone again. I don't know what everybody else's phone does, but this is what my phone does. So I'm going to click on Edit, and then it's going to go to this screen where you can edit the picture. Then you're going to click on this little icon down here that is for cropping. Right here. Crop. All right? Now you see that it's got these weird looking compass things behind it. I have no idea what all that is for. But we're going to click on this little icon right here. I need a pointer. Let me get some scissors. We're going to click on this little icon right here that looks like several pictures or something. I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but we're going to click on it. And when you click on that, a whole bunch of sizes will come up. And you will notice up here at the top of the list is a word that says square. Square. And so you click on square. And it gives you a square to put your picture in. And now I can move me up and down in this square. And then I can say done. Down here, done. And now I have a square picture to put on Instagram. How do I put it on Instagram? With your iPhone, it is so simple. You just go here to this little arrow. I think what this little sign, drawing, picture, icon means is upload. So click on that, and it will give you a bunch of choices of where you can send a picture that you just turned into a square. And your picture's marked. It's already marked. There it is. See, there it is before it's a square, and there it is, and now it's a square. So, you can click on message to send it to somebody in a message, or you can send it to somebody's email, or you can send it directly to, yay, Instagram. Push the Instagram button, and off it goes. Now, before it posts it to Instagram, it wants you to write a caption. That is where you're going to put your hashtag. You're going to write up there, hashtag JoyVivTopper. And then you're going to click share. So then it will go to your Instagram, plus it will go to that hashtag. Now I think my iPhone has issues, and sometimes when I want to write something, there's no keyboard, and that's the way it is right now. So in order for me to get a keyboard to type, I have to turn my phone off and back on. But you guys don't need me to do that. Once you put your caption there, then you just click OK, and off it goes, and you will have a head. Okay? All right, I wish I could do a caption, but I can't unless I turn my phone back off. Let me see. I wonder if I can send it with no caption. Let's try that. Let's just say share. Share. Now let's go to Instagram and see if that picture's there. I bet it is. There's an IG button here. There it is. It's got a 3 on it. I have no idea what the 3 is for. Open up. And it always comes up on somebody besides me. So there I am, and look at the picture. There it is, you guys. And I have a head. See there? Now, I don't need that picture there. I need to put delete. Somebody's, well, that isn't a topper. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how to make a square. Okay, back to the video. Okay, what do you think about that? Easy, huh? Super, super easy. Philly said a couple weeks ago, she said, boy, doing it on the computer sure a lot harder than doing it on your cell phone, and she's right. That app is free. The Instagram app is free. Get it on your cell phone, and then you can send the picture as simple as you just saw on my little video. Okay? Now, just for fun, I took a bunch of pictures this morning of all the different toppers I have made. I have shown them in past videos, but I know a lot of people don't go back and watch old videos. And so since you're in this challenge, and since I'm not eligible to win the $50 gift card, and neither is Viv, I'm just going to show you. I took a picture this morning of all the toppers I have made. I think I got them all. Right here, I'm just going to show you a set of pictures of my toppers. And don't forget, this is rule number 3. Don't forget. You guys are always asking me, what pattern was it? What pattern number was it? What was the name of the pattern? Look down in the description box. There's a little place underneath every video, and there's this little word that says more. And if you'll click on more, that will open up, and we who make the videos can type endless information in there. So I will put what patterns it was that I used for all those toppers you just saw in the description box. Okay. All right. It's already afternoon. I have not done a single thing. If you watched my video before this one, you know my electricity was off all morning. So I want to make another topper. Billy's coming next week. We're having a sewcation. She's coming Wednesday, and I think she's staying until Sunday. And we're going to sew. We both have doctor appointments on Friday. But other than that, we're having a sewcation. So I hope the weather's pretty, and we are going to have a great time. All right, I'm going to let you go, but get those pictures into a square. Put them on Instagram with the hashtag JoyVivTopper, all small letters. Okay? I'll be looking for you over there. Bye for now.